What's good, everybody? I'm going to show you guys how to use Coinbase Pro on the web browser. So go to pro.coinbase.com, log in, and you'll end up on the screen. This is where you find the pairs that you want to trade. So if you want to trade Bitcoin USD, here you go. All right, so I want to do AVAX. I'm going to trade AVAX to the US dollar. Boom. So you could do a buy order. You could do your buys or your sells. You could do the market price, which means that whatever the price value is right now, you're gonna make your order. All right. So if I write max, it's gonna put in my $302 that I got. All right. Cool. Let's talk about the stop. I don't use the stop. All right, but other people do. Just think of the same concept, but opposite with the sell, right? Okay, so I want AVAX. I want 3 AVAX at 26.50, right? The stop price means pretty much at $27. I want you to put in the books that I want to make this order. I personally don't use this, right? I don't use this. I just go to the buy. I do the market price, or I do the limit. Today we're gonna do the limit. So I want 3 AVAX at 26.50, right? And I'm gonna place my order. And then there you go. There's my order, waiting to be filled. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Just comment, like, subscribe. I also have a Telegram group. Just clicking in the bio. Thank you.